I got my own squad, I get no fuck about who you fucking with. Bitch, know this. Play.
Hey guys, my name's Nate Gordon. This is my 2017 bike check. Start us off, I have the Brandon Began Signature Scumbag Bars. 9.3 rise. The Division Gum Grips. Fit Gray Rock Stem. For the frame, I have the Fit Mac 3. I have the Fit Pivotal Seat. On the back wheel, I have the Madeira cassette hub laced to a Shadow Conspiracy truss wheel. One stolen Thermalite peg on the back, because that's the only one I have right now. Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket, right next to some Fit Bike Go cranks. Odyssey PC pedals, those are the only pedals I'll use. Got the Colt Chase D Hart slick tires. And then we got, on the front, we have the Fit Bike Co. Mac 3 front rim and front hub with a We the People Toxic front peg with a Animal Butcher peg sleeve on. This is my bike check. Hope you enjoyed.